Good morning children. Today we are going to see addition and subtraction together. In one sum itself addition and subtraction will come, that we will see. I have written the first example here. Let us see now. Okay, if you see here in this example 1, I have given 216 plus 423 minus 506. If you see here, the first two numbers are in addition and the third number is in subtraction. So what we will do here, first you have to add these two numbers. First addition first. Okay, so you will do the addition first. Then the sum you will get, the answer. From that sum you will minus this third number. Okay, so let me arrange the digits in order. Okay, I have written these first two numbers I have arranged in order. So these two, what we are going to do, we are going to add now. So I am writing plus symbol here. So let's add now. 6 plus 3, it will be 9. And next we have 1 plus 2, we will get 3. Again we have 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 6. So this is the sum we have got. For adding the first two numbers, we have got this sum. So from this sum, we have to minus the third number. So let me arrange the digits in order. So the sum is 639. So from here, we are going to minus the third number, 506. We are going to minus, so I am writing minus sign. Let's minus now. Here 9 and 6 we have. 9 minus 6, it will be 3. And here we have 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0, 3 only. And 6 minus 5 in hundreds place. So 6 minus 5, 1. So the answer is 133. So in the first one, there are three methods are there. Okay, in addition and together, 3 models it can be asked. The first one, you are adding the first two number and you are subtracting the third number from the sum. Okay, so this is the one I have given. From the sum only will minus the third number. Okay, now the second model will be different. Let's see the second model. See here in the second model, it will be like this. That means the first two number will be in subtraction, minus will be there, and third number will be in addition. So since we did there the first two number were in addition, so we did addition first, then we did the subtraction. No, so we cannot do subtraction first. First we have to do the addition. If there is addition there, first we will do the addition. So since these two numbers are in addition, you will not add these two numbers. Okay, actually this number is in subtraction. You have to see the sign before. So before this number, minus is there. So this number you will subtract only. You will not add with any number. Okay, so you will subtract this number and you have to add this first number and the third number. Okay, so when the second number has the minus, what you will do? First you have to do the addition. Always you will do the addition first. So this first number and the second number you will add. Then from the sum you will minus the third number. Okay, so there is a difference. In the first there was a minus here and here was plus. So we added these two, then from this sum we subtracted the third number. But now the subtraction is here in the second number. So the second number only you will minus. So you have to add the first and third number. Okay, so let's do now. I am arranging the digits in order. 3125 and the third number is 2836. So these two number we have to add. So I am writing plus symbol here. So if you add here 5 plus 6, 11. So in 11, so only 1 you will write here and 1 you will carry here. 1 will be carried here. So now if you add here 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus this 1, it will be 6. Next we have 1 and 8. 1 plus 8, it is 9. Next we have 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, it is 5. Okay, so by adding the first and the third number, we have got the sum 5961. So this 5961, from here only you will subtract this second number. Okay, so now I am arranging again here. The sum first I am writing 5961. From here we have to minus the third number. So third number 4396. 4396. So these two we have to subtract. So I am writing subtraction symbol here. So this sum only I am writing here. Okay. So let's minus now. Here we have 1 and here 6. So small, 1 is small, 6 is big. You cannot minus. So you will borrow from this 6. So if you borrow, so from 6 if you borrow 1, so 5 will remain. Okay, so that 1 when it comes here, it is with 1 here already. So it is becoming now 11. So now we have 11 minus 6. So 11 minus 6, it will be 5. Again, if you see here, we have 5 and 9. 5 is small, 9 is big, you cannot minus. So you will borrow from this hundreds place. 9 from there you will borrow. So if you borrow 1 from here, how many will remain? 8 will remain. That 1 will come here and this will be now 15. So now we have 15 and 9. So 15 minus 9, it will be 6. Now we have here 8 and 3. 8 minus 3, it will be 5. And here we have 5 and 4. 5 minus 4, it will be 1. So the answer is now 1565. This is the answer. Okay, so this is the second model. We add the first and the third number. Then from that sum, we minus the second number. Okay, now one more model is there. It is not given in your book, but I am giving you. If you know, it is good only. Okay, for that only I am giving. See here, both the number has minus. Both the number has minus. There is no plus at all. So in this case, what you will do, since there is no addition at all, so we are going to do subtraction. But subtraction we can do only with 2 numbers, but we have 3 numbers. So what we will do, first we will minus this 2 number. Then we will get the difference. No, from that difference we will minus the third number. Okay, so first we will minus this 2. Then from that answer you will minus the third number. Okay, let me arrange the digits in order. So it is 8215. So from there you have to minus the second number 4273. Okay, we are going to minus. So I am writing minus symbol here. We have here now 5 and 3. 5 minus 3, it will be 2. Next, if you see in tens place, here 1 and here 7. 1 is small. So from the small number, we cannot minus the big number. So you have to borrow. So we will borrow from this 2. So if you borrow from that 2, it will be now, if you give 1, 1 will remain. That 1 will come here and this will be now 11. Okay, and now we have here 11 and 7. So 11 minus 7, it will be 4. And now again if you see here 1 and 2, 1 is small, 2 is big, you cannot minus, so you will borrow from this 8. So from the 8 if you give 1, so how many will remain? 7 will remain and that 1 will come here and this will be 11. So now 11 minus 2, how much it is? It will be 9. And we have here 7 and 4. 7 minus 4, it is 3. Okay, now we have got the difference 3942. From there you will subtract the third number. Okay, so from here only you will subtract the third number. So I am writing, arranging here. The difference we have got is 3942. So from here I am going to minus the third number. Third number is 1626. Okay, I am doing subtraction again, but in first two sums there was one addition, one subtraction, but here both are subtraction. Okay, so I am subtracting here. So to subtract here, we have in ones place 2 and 6. 2 is small, 6 is big, you cannot minus, so you will borrow from this 4. So if you borrow from there, from 4 if you give 1, 3 will remain, and that 2 will come here, that 1 will come here, and this will be now 12. So now we have 12 and 6. So 12 minus 6, it will be 6. So here it will be 6, and here we have now 3 and 2. So 3 minus 2, it will be 1. Again we have here 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6, it will be 3. Again we have here 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, so first we have subtracted the first two numbers, then from that answer we subtract the third number. This is all. These are the three methods now we have. So this is easy only, you can do the sums. So be careful, but when you see where minus and plus is there, okay, so be careful and do. Thank you.